Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Asian markets are generally lower today, but Japan's Nikkei rose 0.3%. European markets fell Friday due to investors assessing the economic outlook and the possibility of further tightening by the U.S. Federal Reserve. The Pan-European Stoxx 600 index fell 1.1%. Major bourses and most sectors were down, with retail stocks leading the losses at 3.3%. The leading Nasdaq has a more than 1% drop in U.S. futures. The U.S. dollar is strong, but the yen has edged higher against the greenback due to reports that Kazuo Ueda will become the next governor of Japan's central bank. With 0.2% decline in gold, the situation is not much better for gold. Friday's increase in oil prices was more than 2%. This is despite Russia's announcement of plans to decrease oil production next month following the West's price caps. Asian Pacific market. According to Japanese media, the BOJ Deputy Governor Amemiya declined the chance to become the next BOJ governor. Instead, Kazuo Ueda, a former BOJ board member, will be nominated. The market responded quickly, pushing the yen up sharply. Although the Australian dollar didn't react to much of the Reserve Bank of Australia's monetary policy statement, it was still hawkish. It stated that inflation was too high and broad-based. From 5.5%, the RBA increased its June forecast for the lowered mean inflation to 6.25%. Market of Euro. Yesterday's euro was stuck at $1.08 and fell to $1.07 in European early turnover. The week's low was Tuesday at $1.0670. Breaking of this could lead to a move towards $1.0600. The ECB announced that banks will return €36.6 billion of TLTRO borrowings. According to consensus forecasts, the UK preliminary fourth quarter GDP data on Friday morning showed that there was no recession in the fourth quarter. Last week, the Bank of England predicted that the country would experience a short-term but severe recession in the first quarter of 2023. The sterling is unchanged at 0.12%. Market of America. Jerome Powell, the Fed chair, stated earlier this week that while U.S. inflation has slowed, rates could rise. Several Fed speakers also reiterated that there could be more to the hiking cycle. Today, Canada releases January employment figures. According to Bloomberg's survey, the median forecast for January sees a 15,000 job increase after December's 69,200. This includes both full-time and part-time positions and is a reflection of the current strength. The current greenback is very close to CAD 1.3445. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.